I've not done one of these for a while. Mystery boxes, mystery bundles from Airfix. Now you can get some pretty good deals on these, and the latest one I've seen is this one here, which is £22.99. This one's the Airfix Aircraft Mystery Bundle. They reckon its value is £35.97, so you're getting it for around, you know, 12 quid off roughly. So between them two there, the figure I've got is £12.98, and but with an Airfix club discount, it would become £15.28, because I would have got £2.30 off. I think that's what it is, yeah. We add that to that, £2.30. So I would have saved £15.28 because I'm an Airfix club member, so I get my 10%. There is a caveat to that. There's shipping involved, which I believe is about £3.95. So give or take these sort of figures, all right? Now, because I didn't want to pay for shipping, I also ordered a starter set. I ordered this to go with it, which was a Sherman Firefly. Another reason I've gone for a starter set is because even though I've spent hundreds and hundreds of pounds on starter sets, kids sets, lots of other sets, Airfix have decided now they're going to have a prize draw to win a flight in a Spitfire. So I had no choice but to buy another starter set. Oh yeah, I must add, you can go to their website. Long as you buy a starter set or a gift set, you can be involved in that competition. But I don't recommend it. No, just don't bother, you know. Give somebody else a chance to win a trip on a Spitfire. Yeah. But I'm going to go through the whole tickets anyway to see how much I actually paid for. So the Curtis P40B Warhawk 172. I got a Mitsubishi A6M2B0. And the reason why I got this one, because I heard on the grapevine, that these were being put in the mystery boxes now. The Messerschmitt ME262A-2A. I've never built a Messerschmitt. Seriously, I haven't. So that's why I bought this mystery box for. So, back of a fag packet mask as I normally do. So, this is the ticket I got. So I got one Curtis P40B Warhawk, and on the website they are $8.99. The Mitsubishi A6M2B0 is also $8.99, and the Messerschmitt ME262A-2A is $17.99. The five, so you know, so that was $22.99. You're basically saving, you know, half price on all the kits. It's a fair cop. It's a fair deal, I guess. For these, the small starter set Sherman was $11.99. That put me over, so I could get free postage. But even more of a caveat for me on this one, and I don't know what happened. I really don't. But they sent me a Warhawk in there as well, a second Warhawk. So whether they packed my box wrong, but I got a frigging bargain this time, you know what I mean?
It's a deal. It's a steal. It's sale of the f***ing century.
For all this, I paid £31.48, which I didn't think was too bad, really, considering what I've got here in my mystery box of this time. So there you are. That was my unboxing of my Airfix Aircraft Mystery Bundle box that I received from Airfix yesterday. Oh, today. It was today. Yeah, got it in 2 days, which is another bonus of free delivery because you end up getting it through DPD and tracked as well. So you know when they're coming, tells you exactly to the hour when they're going to arrive as well. If you like the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Ring that bell, select all to be notified when I release a new video. If you'd like to become a channel member, click join below. Prices start from £1.99. And if you've not seen any of my other mystery bundle unboxings, I'll leave links here and here.